What is going on, guys? Welcome back to Living Life Fast, and check out the sun, guys. It feels like I'm in another country right now. I'm absolutely loving it. Obviously, you've seen the title. We're gonna go find out if my 720S can go sideways. Now, the 720S is nothing like an M car. This car is so dynamic. It only likes to go straight. It's a track-focused vehicle, and when it does go sideways by accident, it's very, very aggressive. So off to Birmingham, the same location where we took the Hellcat, and there's no Oscars. There's gonna be no cutaways, no cinematics. It's just a raw POV. I have brought my main cam, so there might be a little bit of filming. I'll try to do something, but yeah, we're on our way to the unit. Gonna go meet my mate Dapper, and as you can see, 0 miles in the tank. Yeah, a Ricky special. So yeah, enjoy the video. Before we get into it, please subscribe to my channel and make sure bell notifications are set to all, so you're notified the second I release a video. Gavade Singh, what are you saying, bro? Bruv, we're f***ing late, mate. Oh, I like it, bro. My trainers are... Oh, these trainers are sick, bro. Man had a facelift in it for the channel. It's 2021 now, bro. It's not about Air Max 90s. What you rock? You fucking look at him, bro. You thinking it's still the 80s and that? You're a proper blender, innit, Daps? People don't know. It would have been nice to take the M5, but this is the issue, Daps, with the M5. Obviously, the last few runs, you ran out of meth. We can't even take this even if we wanted to. Yeah, could take a haircut, but we already done it, man. I'd have said you could have put petrol in it and took it, but you end up crashing it anyway. Bro, you ain't a drift king.
Yeah, I'm more of a fast driver, innit?
You just shake the wheel and act like you're going fast.
I've done race training, you know that?
Shut up, man. Yeah, that's reckon he did 6 minutes on a Nürburg in our B7 RS4.
Nah, it's on the arm.
Right, Daps, start the car up quick. Right, so I think I've got everything. Yeah, definitely gonna take the 720S. It would have been nice to take the M5, but these cars are way too aggressive, man. The mapping on it, we ain't got meth in it, and also the race maps load up on it right now. I don't mind wrecking these P0s because I've got a set of RRRRs going on there, and after we get those new tyres on, we're gonna replicate and see if we can beat the times we set the other night. So yeah, man, let's head over to Birmingham. It's already, what, 20 to 2, quarter to 2, 10 to? Fuck you know. Finished Daps, innit? We've got about an hour, bro.
You're on BMT.
Anything?
Nah, go on. £90?
Nice, bruv. What you saying, man? 75 in. Honestly, guys, this car is a bump, and this petrol station is just... I'm like your best customer, right?
Yeah.
Thanks.
Day,
yeah, you too. Yeah, you're all on YouTube. What you saying, brother? You watch the channel, yeah? You watch the channel? Yeah? Love, bro.
How famous you are, man.
Dickhead.
That's
a what for you? Shut up, man. What's the matter with you, bro?
People do it though, make sex tapes and that, innit? Off the back end.
That'll be you, bro.
All else fails.
When all else fails. Oh shit, that's a full tank, bro.
Yeah, 70.
Mad. Yeah, a little update on the McLaren. So I actually sent it back to the dealership because there was suspension error coming up on the dash. It turned out the accumulators, I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, but they've all been replaced. So this car is been completely transformed, as in comfort wise. If you remember in the previous video, I was complaining how horrible it felt to drive. Apparently there's these gaskets and the internals had failed on all 4. Previous owner did track this car, so that's probably why they were gone. When I say it's transformed, it feels a lot more comfortable. You can feel it soaking up the road a bit more. Even in track mode, it feels a bit sharper, a bit more darty. And yeah, man, excited. Feels like I got a new car now. What I'm noticing is it feels like the car's more digital now. Like the suspension's doing more work. It's correcting the wheel a little bit more. It's turning more with smaller inputs. Whereas before it was a little bit, I don't know, I'm probably going over the top. It just feels like at higher speeds, you got to be even smoother with it now. Yeah, man's got the old school knives right now.
This one's broke with me.
Get high with me. We like. Oh, yeah, that.
You've been on this road before, innit?
Yeah.
I see some filming here, innit?
Yeah. 2 police letters.
Yeah.
Saying.
What letter?
Say that again?
You alright, Rick?
Yeah.
Put in there, get the second one, somewhere safe, innit, for you?
Where? Just here?
Huh?
Where? Just here, you said?
Yeah, I was here. You ain't nowhere.
Yeah. No, I'm drifting, mate.
Are you drifting?
Yeah.
Come this side then, Geeks.
Should I not be going through that way or nah?
If you're drifting it, just...
Yeah, I got a helmet, yeah.
Yeah, you just got to come up here.
No, I don't want to go on yet.
Where are you going then?
I just want to park up, innit?
Just park in the pit lane on the left-hand side, tight, innit?
I've been invited down, innit?
Yeah, no, we're not.
Are you driving that on the track?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, put your lid on, just queued up then.
No bullshit, straight on, boys. Yeah, nice to meet you, man.
Yeah.
Oh, wicked. Nice one, bro.
How you doing? You good?
Yeah.
Oh, lift it up, call the camera.
Will you jump back with me? Make sure I don't crash.
Yeah, yeah. Do you want me to kick off?
I'm going to do a lap quick, with Nick.
Watch out for the cones.
Oh, it's Ricky, look, from YouTube.
What's going on, mate? You
You
alright?
alright? Yeah?
Sorry, I can't hear you. I've got this.
He's got his thing on.
I don't know if you can even hear me. I'll scream as loud as I can. We got Nick, the man that's hosting today. You met him last time in the Hellcat. How you doing, Nick? You alright?
How you doing? Yeah, very good, thank you.
Yeah. So we're going to try not crash the Hellcat. Sorry, the Hellcat, the McLaren.
Yeah, please don't.
Right, so we hold that button down. Actually, yeah. Variable drift control.
Oh, that sounds good. Variable doesn't sound good though.
Variable, yeah, we want it off, don't we, really?
Don't get anywhere near close.
Come on. Don't worry. I might kiss your Living Life Fast badge on the side.
Yeah, we'll give it a go and see what happens. Let's go, yeah?
Yeah, go.
It's not on the track, man.
Feels like it's going to be amazing to drift.
Huh?
It feels like it's going to be amazing to drift.
Fucking hell, I don't want to problem, right? Understeering there, innit?
Yeah.
It's got some grip, doesn't it?
It's because you've got a lot of grip on the back, but yeah, you just need to keep the wheel speed up a tiny bit.
I don't think I'm ever mastering that one today.
Yeah, it
Fuck that
pushes
one,
you
innit?
into understeer on that bit, doesn't it?
Yeah, guys, I am definitely not going back out in the Mac. Forget that, I ain't looking to crash it. Got an LLF follower here. Yes. Fucking hell. He's gone and spun it.
Hey guys, I think you won the Nutter Award today for even taking your motor on there.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, okay. Like that, yeah? I've been offered a few drivers with his cars. I don't know if I want to go crash some of these cars or anything. Where you learn your drifting skills, bro? Yeah. My man's on. Thinking about going back out, but you know what? Like I've said, it's not even worth it. Like, already had a few close calls. Cars in one piece to try and get out a few other cars. Probably need a bigger track. Like, too many obstacles.
what I put the day on for. It was none of you guys.
So we've got the main man Nick. This
Yeah, how you
is
doing?
the drift specialist. I'm not hoping, but let's just see how poor I perform. We'll be able to gauge by Nick. drifting the 720. Got to let off, I think. Not easy, is it?
No, it's not. No,
You get used to it.
You need a bit more.
All these guys, all cars are set up for road use. Nobody's got their car set up for.
No, this is all. This, yeah, no, these are all.
You let some air out your front tyres. Your understeer is going for the first corner.
Right, yeah, yeah. Thank you so much, mate. That's
come on,
like a dream.
Anytime, mate. So that is the end of the video, people. Terrible attempt at drifting with the 720. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not gonna go commit and try crash the car. I don't care what any of you say, that car is difficult. I think the bigger circuit would be a bit easier. Nick wasn't even having difficulty himself, he's a professional drifter. So massive shout out to Nick once again for the invite. I'll leave his link in the description. And you guys that have got rear wheel drive cars, you need to get out to these kind of spots to learn how your cars drive, man, especially if you're rear wheel drive. Well, obviously rear wheel drive, but yeah, I'm gonna end it there. See you later, guys.